This title is all about find and replace. Here we go. Once you get a project going, 5 pages turns into 10 pages, 10 to 15, and all of a sudden you want to change your links, you want to change your images, maybe throughout all of your pages, maybe throughout 3 of the pages, maybe throughout 12 of the pages. Dreamweaver makes this very easy to do. And I call it the poor man's PHP. And I say poor not from a monetary perspective, but just from a lack of knowledge about what PHP can do with PHP includes. But we can have 1,000 pages, and maybe we want to change the nav bar, maybe images here and there across multiple pages, and it can get done very simply with find and replace in Dreamweaver. So here we go. Here we go. I have this page here. I've used it in a couple of titles for CSS drop-down menus. And you can see here you go. I've got my drop-down menus working, but I'm going to change all of these. I've created a page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. And you can see what the links say here. I want to change all those links going to pages 2, 3, 4, and 5, something like that. Okay, and you can see the code in each of the pages where the code is actually just a list right there. Now, so here we go. I went into Home, turn off Live, go into the code, and what I did is I just copied my list item from the opening list item down to the bottom closing list tag. And then I created a new HTML document. Not that I want to use it for a page, but I just wanted to use it to find and replace. So what I'm going to do, I pasted my code in here, and I put in actual links. Page 1 right here. I come down here. I go to page 2.html, page 2 for the text that you can see, page 3.html, and you can see in this document, if I go into design mode, there's no CSS working in here. Like in the other pages, we're not connected to a style sheet. That's not necessary. But you can see what it looks like here. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, all the links are functional. If I go to the home page, go back into design mode, well, I want to change these links on each and every page to the home, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to go in here, and first of all, I'm going to go into code mode. Then I'm going to go into the home page and go into the code mode. And I'm going to select my list, UL to UL. And I'm going to copy this. Okay. Copy. And then I'm going to go edit, find, and replace. And I get the lovely find and replace folder. And I'm going to paste what I just copied from what I want to find. And this is a nice menu. It can always be open, and that's important because now I'm going to go into my changes page, and I'm going to highlight this and copy it. And where it says replace right here, I'm going to paste it. There you go. Now here's the important part. Find in where. Selected text. Sure, you got a paragraph and you want to change Freddie to Sam. That'll work. Current document, which is not what we want. Sure, you can even do this with open documents, and my documents are open, fine. But I'm going to do it with the folder. I'm working in a specific folder. So, you know, if you have 1,000 pages, you could open 50 pages and do it like that, or you could put all 50 pages in a folder and do all of this in a folder, and that's what I'm going to do. And notice the other option, entire current local site. Yeah, baby. Woo! But anyway, I'm going to select folder, and then I'm going to double click here. And yes, I want to be in the Find and Replace folder. That's exactly where I want to be. Okay, so here we go. All I have to do now is click Replace All. It says it can't be undone. Here we go. There it goes. It's going page by page. And now, notice we have asterisks up here saying that, hey, we've done this. I'm going to go File, Save All. And let's see if it worked. I'm going to go into here. And let's see if our magic worked. Here's Home, page 1, page 2, page 3. Go to page 2. And let's go into Design Mode. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Page 3, let's go into Design Mode. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Let's go here to the final page, into Design Mode. And there you go. Find and Replace. We could have done this with div tags, with images, and replace all of these images in thousands of pages. Find and Replace. And to see it and to play with it and to test it, you can go to sillybilly.com, samples /find replace .zip. Find replace _.zip. Download and play.